Hi guys, I'm just going to show you how I made this rubber band powered car from a football goal from Poundland. Before I do that, I'm just going to do a quick shout out for Wig Wag Workshop. They've asked for a shout out. I've had a look at their channel. They seem to make quite a few plastic kits. Tanks and aeroplanes and military vehicles, that sort of thing. So there'll be a link in my video description to their channel. Right, now I'll show you how I made this. Hi guys, Poundland again today. Bought myself a football goal, shoot and score, for £1. So what do you think I'm going to make with it? Another rubber band powered car. So I was looking at it thinking, yeah, those are nice little angle joins. Oh, nearly lost that piece. Just choosing the two longest pieces. Now I think if you wanted to, you could actually glue these together for extra rigidity. That's the smallest pieces. So there we are, there's our rubber band powered car. What I need to do is drill some holes through so we can get some axles through. Good old barbecue skewers. One at each end, whole load of rubber bands up the middle. Use my usual CDs with milk bottle tops in the middle. There'll be a link in the video description to how to build them or how to make them. And then we should have a rubber band powered car. Right, to drill holes, I got a suspicion that this plastic may well shatter when you try and drill holes in it. So I'm thinking I might go and get a nail and heat it up and melt a hole through. Or a soldering iron would do it. But I think I might have a nail we can use. Right, we're having to adapt as we go along. I couldn't find a nail, but I could find a screw. So I'm going to use a screw instead. And what I'm going to do is melt the hole through just a little bit back from this join. I'm going to measure on all of them and put a mark, and then we'll be able to melt through. There is a seam along the plastic there, so I'm using that to get us the right angle, right position across there. That's going to get hot when we heat it, so we need to be able to hold it and go straight down through. This is going to smell a lot, and the fumes are probably not good for you, so you really need some ventilation. I'm going to go and open the kitchen door. And put the fan on to get some air blowing through. It's also handy to have some water somewhere so you can put this in when you've finished to cool it down quickly, because it's going to be red hot. You don't want to breathe those fumes. A couple of barbecue skewers for axles. You want to make sure that they do actually spin free in there. You might need to trim the holes a little bit if you haven't got them through straight enough. Couple of wheels. Make sure you leave a bit of a gap so they don't rub against the bodywork. Okay. Now we need some rubber bands. Got these from Poundland. Through there, like that. Join them together. Do enough to go the full length. Decide which end you want to be the front and which end's going to be the back. Put it over the top, wrap it round so it wraps over itself, and that will hold it in place. It's supposed to come off so that the car can freewheel when the rubber bands run out. So we'll give that a test run. Test run time. Over the back axle. Wrap it round so it runs over itself. That will hold it on. Wind it up. Let it go. Whoa, wheel spin. Oh well, we need to fix that. Quick fix for wheel spin. Got some rubber gloves here, some old ones that have perished. And I've cut some strips. So I'm going to stretch those over the wheels and that will give us better grip. Okay, that'll give us rubber tyres and better grip. Well, not bad. It's turning a little bit to the right. So it's turning to the right a bit. Now, there's two common reasons for it turning one way or the other. One is that you haven't actually got the holes for your axles parallel. So one of them is turned slightly compared to the other. So that might be the problem. Or the other thing is, as you put tension on the axle, let's just see if I can show you, it bends. I'll put a lot of tension on to try and show, but it starts to bend forwards in the middle, and that will have the effect of turning the wheels one way or the other. And the best fix for that is not to have a big gap in the middle. You really want your bodywork to be quite close together so that it can't do this flexing, or use a thicker axle, barbecue skewer, bamboo cane, whatever you've used. If it's thicker, then it won't bend so much. And just see what happens this time. Yeah, that's going to the right quite a lot. We could just try turning the car over, see if that makes a difference. Nope, still going to the right. What I've done this time is I've actually adjusted this tube, pushed it that way a little bit, and pushed the other one the other way a little bit. And see if that will adjust the angle. Right, I've over adjusted it and it's going the other way. One more try. I think we've got it about right now. Yeah, I think that's straight enough. I would think once you're satisfied you've got it straight, you could put some tape around those joins to stop them moving. Job done.